today I'm just going to be reviewing last night. I didn't end up taking a trade just because I was a little confused, to be honest. I wasn't really understanding the narrative, but I'm just going to go through the day. So high time frame on NQ. I'll see if I can pull it up on a different tab. Alright. So high time frame was a little weird. I see where we put in a bearish SMT here. So it's a bearish SMT, but we're also rejecting out of higher time frame gaps. So I was like, all right, I don't really know if we're gonna go higher or lower. Then on for targets, we had London low and this unfilled gap, and targets high we had data high. So pretty good target higher, which I did have conviction in, like as a draw. But yeah, so I'll go through what happened. We had a 15-minute gap. It was like around here, I'd say, maybe like there or something like that. We had a 15-minute gap. So off open, I was like, okay, if we retrace into this 15 displace lower, I'll look to take a trade to London lows. And what do we do off open? We wicked, hit the 15, dumped, took out London lows, and started moving. After we'd taken out London lows, we put in a bullish SMT. So ES failed to deliver low. And then we start flipping higher aggressively on ES towards data high. So I was like, okay, I'm going to look for a data high trade. What I failed to realize is that this whole entire leg, we were uncorrelated as fuck. In my opinion, I'm going to count this as uncorrelation because NQ isn't even moving past a 930 candle when ES is displacing hard. So we're like, what, almost 100 points away from the draw on NQ, and ES is pumping towards it. So at that point, I should be like, okay, data high that's a pretty low probability draw because of how uncorrelated we are. And then we start to sell off. So at this point, we're still respecting the 15-minute gap, but we start to sell off as well. So everyone in my Discord, actually, well, not everyone, but a few people caught shorts on this candle here, right here. So they entered like mid candle here and they took shorts. Reason why I didn't do it was because I thought we were retracing to a 5-minute gap. We had a 5-minute gap just around here. I thought we were making a retrace into a 5-minute gap and then we were going to flip and go towards data high. What I should have realized is that we're uncorrelated. NQ is nowhere near data highs. And now we've started to flip bearish. NQ is still respecting the bearish PD array. And we put in a high time frame, we already put in a bearish SMT. So I'd say my main mistakes today was basically just not thinking objectively and logically. I was super fixated on data high. I was chasing price. I was like, okay, this is gonna hit, and I wasn't actually understanding what price is showing me. Like after this close, I should have been like, okay, well, we're probably not gonna go to data high. I probably should have been looking for lower at this point. But anyways, yeah, I mean, really confusing day in my opinion. Especially if someone like me is pretty new, but yeah. Yeah, I just don't know how you can have conviction that we're going to be going lower mid candle here. Like, I understand we're still respecting this 15, we're pushing lower, but like how can you actually have conviction in that? Anyways, main mistakes and main learning points is that I wasn't objective in my thinking. I was way too fixed on data high. I just wanted to see us take data high, get a retrace and flip to data high. I was chasing price and I wasn't trying to understand the narrative. I wasn't even monitoring ES. I was refusing to accept that we were uncorrelated. So in future, if we're uncorrelated, just wait until price starts to move in tandem with each other. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today. Like actually, where are we here? This is my screen recording from last night. So I'll get to that candle. Look, it's like there. Like at this point here, how can you have conviction that we're going to deliver? That was what was confusing me. Like, yeah, I get it, we're displacing here, but here it just looks like we're retracing to a 5-minute gap, so I just don't know. Anyways, if you guys have any advice or anything that could help me out, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to continue watching my reviews and watching me trade, then like and subscribe. So boys.